Good morning to everyone. I am S. Kogli of class 9th A.
I am M. Ganesh Kumar of 9B.
I am R. Tarun of 9B.
Today we recite a project anti-skid for two-wheeler vehicles. Problem statements. During rain, the pathway of the roads are filled with water. Vehicle cannot juggle the depth of holes as all surfaces are covered with water. This leads to survive accident and death. People are affecting to drive the vehicles on rainy days.
Solution. We design smart alert system for two-wheeler and cars. This will monitor the road distance continuously and alert if there is a change due to pathholes. The depth of the pathhole will be displayed in the display and a driver can decide about the travel through the hole. By this way, the accident be avoided.
This is our product video. Technical accept of model. We are using HD Ultrasonic Senior HCS RO4 to measure depth of the potholes. LCD display to display the change in the depth of the road. Buzzer to alert the sharp of change in the depth of the field. Load thought node MCU to transformer data for the transport.
Value proposition. It is life-saving device to be fixed on two-wheeler. It is simple to use and can be powered by vehicle battery. Alert for self as well as near communicator about pathhole. Irrigation with lot for people using Google Map and other apps. Special thanks for Niti Yog, Atal Innovation Mission, Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Karikal.
Myself, Esko I'm studying 98. I'm from Jawaharlal Vidyalaya, Karkal. Topic is the Ashram functional system. If it rains heavily, the road cover of water. The automatic cover means cannot see the driver below. So, if the sensor in the two-wheeler, so the road will be damaged or depleted. The driver will fall on the road, so the driver will become severe or dead. So, the sensor will be alert the driver and the driver not use the road. After, we all are safe.